Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. You better get on the ball. I bought 4 great muscle cars from one collector. 2 of them already sold. One of them before it was even promoted. So this is a fantastic car, 69 Chevelle, great colors, big block, 4-speed, air conditioned, frame off restored. Go to volocars.com. That's where you'll see all the photos top to bottom, all the specs, all the pricing. Plenty of ways on there to contact us. So go to volocars.com. But for right now, how about we go for a spin in this 69 Chevelle? Real cool guy out in West Virginia. He's owned these cars since the 1990s. He did the restorations himself. He's getting up there in age, so it's time to let loose of some of his collection. But talking to him, he's a true car guy. He works on them himself. He built the cars himself. To this day, he still works on them. So he knew the cars real well. He built them to look gorgeous, and he also built them to drive. He told me, Jay, these are not number 10 trailer queens. They're really nice cars, but I get in them and I drive them. So this is a body off the frame, show condition car, but he also rebuilt all the components. When you look underneath, you'll see all the suspension, the bushings, the brake calipers, brake lines, fuel tank, shift linkage. It all looks new. It is a Muncie 4-speed with a 331 rear end in it. Nice exhaust. I think it's a Flowmaster. But where each of his cars really stand above the others is the fit and finish. The body on this thing is just absolutely laser straight. It is like red glass. The gaps are spot on. They're all square and flush. I mean, really nice. Look how square this is right here. That is spot on. And it's flush too. Laser straight, no ugly vinyl top. It has the white SS stripe. All the trim is new, the bumper, the headlight bezels, the stainless moldings, the mirror, the rubber door handles. It's all new, so the car is just gleaming. It has the reproduction redline tires on restored SS wheels. Door jambs are beautiful. Sill plates are shiny. And of course, all the interior is redone. All new door panels, window cranks, upholstery, seat backs, carpet, headliner, visors. It's got the rosewood wheel. It has the factory gauge package with the tachometer. It is a vintage air system. So they use the original controls, but instead of old cables, it's on an electric slide, which is really nice. It has a console. The rear package tray is nice. It's a retro stereo with 2 6x9 speakers. Super clean metal, a nice coat of spatter finish paint in here, nice durable finish. Got an SS wheel, has the jack. This is all painted beautifully. The jambs, are slick. Underneath the car is all a nice semi-gloss black and detailed out real well. I like the rosewood wheel. So big block 4-speed with air. Then consider the colors and then the condition. This is a nice car. This is all beautiful. It's got the insulation. It's got nice finishes. The raw gray on the latches. Cadmium plated brake booster. New chrome air cleaner, valve covers. MSD ignition. The fan, the shroud, the horns. Wiring all looks new. Everything's really nicely done. Whole underneath of the car looks that good too. So if you're gonna make the plunge and buy a cool car like this, don't you want something like this? You don't want to have a brown car or an automatic without air. I mean, you want this puppy right here that someone's already done all the work for you. Mirror is nice, the dash pad is new. Sounds just right, marker lights work. Motor up front here is just smooth and quiet as can be. It makes noise out the tailpipe, just the way it should be. Got this stripe, I believe, is painted on. I don't think that's a sticker. Did a real nice job with that. Again, fit and finish is outstanding, and that's a big deal, fit and finish. So there you have it. Go to volocars.com. Plenty of ways to contact us. I have a whole staff of people. Their job is to help you out. Any questions or concerns you have. We have shipping, we have financing. So visit volocars.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's the best way to see these videos as they come out. So thank you for your time. Appreciate you watching, and stay tuned for more.